Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Friday, April 27th. The weekend is upon us. The cool gray Jordan 11 lows drop tomorrow. It's going to be an easy pass for me. I'm not really feeling the cool gray Jordan 11 low. I love the mid, the OG version of the sneaker. I'm just not real big on the cool gray low. I'm not going to take up too much of your time talking about them. So, before we jump into this unboxing, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Hit that thumb up if you're feeling this video. And by all means, follow your boy on all social. So like I said, guys, we got a new unboxing today. I picked these up today at Footlocker. It seems like another day, another Vapormax rendition that your boy got to sit here and unbox and do a review for you guys. So today, without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We got the Nike Vapormax Plus Shark. And just when I thought I couldn't fall in love with Vapormax and Vapormax hybrids any more than I already am, Nike goes and does it. The upper on this Vapormax Plus is insane. It's got that shark pattern that we're seeing currently on the Air Max Plus before and after the bite. They put the upper on this Vapormax Plus and gave it this insane red full air unit. You guys know, if anything, I'm a sucker for red, and I am a sucker for the Vapormax. All models, I'm loving the hybrids they're coming out with. This upper is just crazy. You got the red swoosh. You got gray, white, and black gradient design on the upper. There's nothing new I could really say about this sneaker that differentiates itself from the other Vapormax Pluses other than this upper. This upper pattern is insane. I love the before and after bite pattern that they currently just put on the Air Max Plus. You guys know I am just so in love with this Vapormax. The cushioning on this Vapormax unit is my personal opinion, bar none. I know there's a lot of people who prefer Boost over this. I'm not here to tell you guys to go one way or the other. To each their own. I myself also rock Boost. So I'm not here to try to convince naysayers and try to talk people into messing with something they themselves are not messing with. But that's it, guys. We're going to go do it on foot. I'll be back Monday with a new video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
do this. Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.